Okay, Jason, gonna walk you through creating a fan page. On your regular profile, go all the way down to the bottom and keep going to the bottom. You will one day come to the bottom. Ooh, keep going to the bottom. And you see it, but it won't let you get to it sometimes. At the very bottom of that, it says create fan page. The best way to go to that, since it won't let you catch it, I guess will be go to help and go to go to how do I create a fan page. Don't pay attention to any of that. To create a fan page. And there you are. I'm going to send you this link. I know it doesn't show it in the top, but I will send it to you. There you're going to go to local, place, or business. Make sure you choose that even though you see the others. You're going to choose a category, which you know yours would be based on whatever category you want. Home improvement, probably. It'll ask you all of these questions. Creating a fan page is a lot trickier than just following this stuff. Try, the best advice I can give you is to enter every single block that you possibly can. That'll help you the most, okay? If that doesn't help you and get you started, let me know. Have a good day.